Absolute value in PAEMDAS. Well, what does absolute value have to do with PAEMDAS? Well, absolute value actually does fit into order of operations, and it would fit in right after parentheses. So you remember the expression, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Well, we're going to add absolute value to this. Please also excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So you would always do parentheses first, then you're going to do absolute value, then you would do exponents, then remember multiplication and division are equals, and so are addition and subtraction. So this is actually pretty easy. And this is just an example of how you do the parentheses first, and then next you would do your absolute value. So let's do a couple examples. So parentheses always first. Please also excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses first. So we would do 3 plus 2 is 5. And I'm going to bring down everything else. So we're done with the parentheses. Absolute value would be next. So the absolute value of negative 8 is 8. So I'm done with absolute value. Now we would do exponents. And 2 cubed is 8. Now I have a choice of multiplying or adding. So we're going to do multiplication next. And then I have just addition remaining, so I'm going to do whichever one comes first, left to right. And 41 would be our solution. Let's do another one. Please also excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So there are no parentheses, so we'll do absolute value. Absolute value of negative 6 is 6. We'll bring everything down here. Next would be exponents. Anything to the 0 power is 1. Bring everything down. Now I have a choice of adding, dividing, multiplying, or adding. Well, multiplying and dividing are equals, and since division comes first, left to right, I'm going to do that next. Now I have a choice of adding, multiplying, or adding. Multiplying would be next. And then I just have addition left, so I'm going to do whichever one comes first, left to right. And our final answer would be 12. So you do what you normally do with order of operations. Just remember that absolute value comes after parentheses and before exponents.